All right, I will try to get these. Those are the mosquitoes. You see them. You see them. Those are the mosquitoes in my entryway outside. And I'm not very happy because my daughter, Addie, is severely allergic to them. There's the gecko that's like in heaven. But I just want the city that I live in to realize that they need to spray. Let me see if I can get a good picture. Let's go back a little bit right here. Let's go back a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see anything here. It's crazy. Let's go over here. See all of them right there? See all of that? Is that not unbelievable? I have no idea what that is up there. We'll just pretend like that's not there in the right hand corner. Do y'all see all the mosquitoes? And the gecko, number 2, that thinks it's amazing. Oh my gosh. And my entryway. I feel sorry for the people that come to my front door, right? Because the city would not take care of this. Oh my dear gosh. Look at all that. I don't know if y'all can get all that, if y'all can see it.